Now repeat after me. Labubu, labubu. Welcome to English Dictionary Infinity, where we help you perfect your pronunciation and expand your vocabulary one word at a time. Meaning, Labubu is a popular character from the collectible art toy world, known for its mischievous personality and unique, whimsical design. Created by the artist Kassing Lung, Labubu is part of the Monsters art series, featuring a distinctive look with big eyes, sharp teeth, and a playful expression that has made it beloved among art toy collectors. Labubu toys often come in different designs, colors, and costumes, making each one special. Think of it like this. Labubu is a quirky, collectible art toy with a mischievous charm, perfect for anyone who loves unique and playful designs. In a sense, her Labu collection includes several rare figures, each with a unique costume and color. Here, Labubu refers to the character as part of an art toy collection. Let's try another example. Labubu has become a fan favorite character in the art toy community due to its whimsical and expressive design. Now it's your turn. If you understand the word, comment below with your own sentence using Labubu. Synonyms. Some related terms for Labubu are art toy, collectible, designer toy created as a piece of art, vinyl figure, a type of collectible figure made from vinyl, often featuring unique designs. Antonyms. The opposite of Labubu would be mass-produced toy, a toy made in large quantities without unique or collectible features. Ordinary figure, a standard toy without the collectible or artistic quality of Labubu. Part of speech. Labubu is a noun referring to the collectible character designed by Kassing Lung in the world of art toys. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to keep building your vocabulary with us at English Dictionary Infinity. Don't forget to hit the notification bell for more words and pronunciation tips. See you next time.